In this video, my friend and creator of HVAC Simulator, Dirk is going to be actually installing an AllSpark in a real gas furnace. Now, this is kind of an old school furnace. It's a spark ignition furnace, and this is a perfect application for the AllSpark, and he's going to go over it with you step by step. To start with, this is a picture of the Honeywell module that we're going to be replacing. As you can see, this has the round type of spark connector known as the rajah connector. Again, in the prior video, we showed you how to tap your phone with the White-Rodgers Connect app onto the AllSpark in order to set up the configuration. Here we show Dirk setting it up to the appropriate controller beforehand. And now the installation, simple wire by wire. When you're done with installation, it's just a matter of starting up the furnace and properly testing it. At that point, you can also use the White-Rodgers Connect app to do diagnostics and troubleshooting, or just simple system status. Big thanks to Dirk for doing this installation video showing you how easy it is to use the AllSpark by White-Rodgers. You can find AllSpark today at a quality distributor near you. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and got something out of it, if you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notifications bell to be notified when new videos come out. HVAC School is far more than a YouTube channel. You can find out more by going to hvacrschool.com, which is our website and hub for all of our content, including tech tips, videos, podcasts, and so much more. You can also subscribe to the podcast on any podcast app of your choosing. You can also join our Facebook group if you want to weigh in on the conversation yourself. Thanks again for watching.